What's up, SK? I'm Deshaun Keel.
And I'm Kevin Rangenbay.
Kevin, what's up with the sombrero?
It's National Taco Day, duh.
Shouldn't you have like a taco and not a sombrero?
I thought that was like a pre-show thing, like I already ate mine.
Kevin, we're getting off track. Give him the news.
DECA members, if you're missing payments or permission slips, they need to be turned in ASAP. Now it's time for clubs. Meeting today, SK, Automotive, Art, Everyone's Equality, Journalism, DECA, FCCLA, Spanish, Lifesavers, and Bible Club will all meet. And tomorrow, Builders of Unity and Interact Club will meet. Wow, we have so many good clubs here at South, everyone should think of joining one.
Kevin, what's in the box?
We've got a box.
We do got a box.
We just got a box, yeah, we just got a box, yeah, we just got a box. I wonder who it's from.
There's some writing on it. How about we start there?
Do not open until October 5th, 2018.
That's a major tease.
I guess we'll find out tomorrow.
It's a doubleheader today. Come support SK Volleyball at 5:45, then head out to the stadium right after to watch SK Girls Soccer at 7 p.m.
Do you got a passion for dance? No? That's okay. Your own dance team is hosting Dancing with a Vaguely Familiar this Saturday at 7 p.m. in the theater. All you need is $5 to get in.
Jumping right on into sports.
I'm so hyped for all these upcoming games.
Games.
Games, that's right. Upcoming games.
The freshman electors window is now open. Only freshmen can vote, and voting is open until tomorrow at 3 p.m. Ninth graders vote for one president, one vice president, one secretary, one treasurer, and 2 senators. The link and code to access the voting window is here and will be posted around the school. Get on that voting, freshmen. A limited number of calculators are now available to support the PSAT and SAT testing next Wednesday. Bring your student ID to the book room. Speaking about the SAT, pay very careful attention to this video.
Everyone's either taking the SAT or the PSAT, but you might be wondering,
why do I have to do it?
well, for starters, SAT scores are required for many college applications. The PSAT also requires you for merit scholarships. College not in your post-high school plan? The PSAT and the SAT show career readiness and show which subject areas you're doing well in and which ones need a little bit of work. Even if you don't know what your post-high school plan is, with everyone taking the SAT or the PSAT, the school is able to get an accurate count on what subjects the student body is struggling with and are able to adjust the lesson plans accordingly. So no matter where you're going after high school, the SAT and the PSAT are tools that will help you now and when you graduate. You better graduate.
We cannot stress enough the value that this test has for career paths. Even if you aren't college bound, it is still very valuable.
It's National Yearbook Week, and that means it's time to submit your favorite photos to the yearbook. Next time you're in the halls, look for the flyers for more information. And while you submit your pictures, go to the ASB office to get your yearbook for their lowest price.
Seniors, it's that time of the year where all you hear about is your FAFSA. This is a very important part towards your financial aid in college. Deadlines come up fast. If you need any help, head down to the Career Center.
Also, there will be a senior assembly with Dan Sommerfeld today at 1:25 in the main theater.
And seniors applying to the WSU Regent Scholarship, the deadline for that application is Tuesday. Today, Western Washington University will have their rep at 1:30. Tuesday, Oregon State University rep will be here at 8:20 a.m. There are many more schools coming next week, so head on down to the Career Center for a pass if interested.
Hey, Sean, this isn't goodbye. It's just see you later.
Kev, I literally have next period with you.
Oh, yeah.
Well, South, adios.